Hello, everybody. My name is Davide Bolchini, and I'm here to talk to you about our undergraduate certificate in legal informatics. If you think about the world of technology today, it's a very broad area of study that encompasses any kind of interaction we have with information systems. This area of study really is impacting the legal profession in many different ways. For example, electronic discovery, the process by which lawyers need to seek and find information, often digital information, by the different parties, is supported by a variety of tools that allow lawyers to do their daily work. So if you think about the world of technology and the world of law, and you think about the intersection of these two worlds, that's where the certificate of legal informatics lies. So on one hand, the certificate could be a great option to study topics in the intersection of technology and law for people who work or plan to work in the law area, so future lawyer or pre-law students, who are interested in understanding how the tools and instruments of information technology and modern technology can support and enhance the daily practice of law. On the other hand, the certificate could be also interesting to informatics students or computer science students, people working in the technology realm, who are really interested in understanding how the societal and legal aspects surrounding technology can help move forward the field of informatics. For example, how to deal with privacy, how to deal with intellectual property laws, how to deal with laws informing the design and development and sharing of data and information. So this is already another interesting intersection between technology and law. How does the certificate work? The certificate is a set of courses that allow students from the 300 and 400 level to really get a grasp of important skill set at this intersection. There is no specific prerequisite which are required to enjoy and get the most out of these courses, but there is certainly the need for a disposition to learn complex topics that are really helping to understand our concept of technology design as intersects laws, policing, and regulation at the local, state, and federal level. So the courses that are offered include, for example, legal and social aspects of information and security. So as you know, the field of cybersecurity is up and coming, is a great area of practice and research. And this field introduces students to the nice combination of the laws and practices around security for the digital age. Another course, for example, is Foundation of Legal Informatics. In this course, you will learn how to design applications that really take into account the needs of lawyers and practicing lawyers, for example, to support the presentation of a case in a court of law. So what type of technologies are more effective, for example, to persuade the jury regarding a given legal argument. You have also opportunity to study the field of electronic discovery. As I said before, imagine the variety of data and information that lawyers need to seek out, to retrieve, and to process in a given case. All this information, most of this information is digital. And so there is a whole industry of software tools that are able to retrieve and dig data from data lakes, from databases, process this data and mine this data to help lawyers make sense of the patterns in the data. So this is electronic discovery. So these are some examples of courses in the certificate. As I mentioned, the certificate is also useful for students who are interested in understanding how technology can be impacted, the development of technology can be impacted by law regulation. So the certificate also includes a course called Technology and the Law. And this course is specifically targeted to informatics and computer science students or students interested in the information technology fields, to really give them a solid foundation on all the legal matters that impacts the development of new businesses in technology or new technologies, databases, and applications. So that includes contracting, licensing, understanding publicity, global and state legal issues, and also the ethics of the technology profession. So what can you do with this certificate? This certificate opens career opportunities at this beautiful intersection of technology and the law. Examples of these career opportunities are, for example, becoming a specialist in cybersecurity or a specialist in electronic discovery. Another type of job title our students get is a social media advisor. For example, understanding the legal implication of posting on social media, representing an institution, or the legal implication of contributing to public debate. You can become a specialist in legal software, so software specifically designed to help lawyers do their job. You can also become an analyst or a specialist in legal data curation, legal data preservations, and also a compliance analyst for an organization. So I hope this gives you a brief overview of what the legal certificate, legal informatics certificate is, what can you do with it, and what makes it so exciting. If you have additional information, feel free to reach out to get to know more. Thank you.